friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. I've been looking for a comprehensive and well-designed literacy program to start my daughter on, and was really excited to learn that Lovevery has recently come out with a reading skill set program. I'm familiar with the quality of their play kits, which I highly recommend for littles, by the way. I have a number of different review videos showcasing the play kits I got for my child. And so I knew it'd be worth giving Lovevery's reading skill set program a try. This video is going to give you a look into their reading program, including my thoughts on it as a pediatric speech and language pathologist. As an overview, the Lovevery reading program is designed to support early literacy development in children, particularly for those aged 3 to 7. This program combines interactive hands-on activities with high-quality, age-appropriate books and materials, aiming to nurture a child's love for reading while building essential reading skills. It focuses on 5 key areas of early literacy: phonemic awareness, vocabulary, comprehension, print awareness, and writing. Based on where my daughter Lena's level is at, I got parts 2 and 3. So here are snippets of Lena engaging with part 2 materials. It continues the early literacy journey for children, typically between the ages of 4 and 6. Lena is 4, and this phase is really building on the foundational skills developed in part 1. So here in part 2, really works on things like decoding, word recognition, and sentence building. Children are going to start to explore sight words, rhyming patterns, and phonics rules to help them sound out words and improve reading fluency. I'm personally very impressed by how well designed the book sets are. I've been having Lena play the games, and then we use the books as sort of an assessment to see how she's doing with generalizing the reading skills that she learned through the games. So far, so good. I want to also point out some features I really like in the book set, including getting warmed up with some preview words to start. Good reading. Gets. There are also sight words and vocabulary terms to go over prior to getting into the story, and at the end of each story are comprehension questions. So it really tackles the 5 key areas of early literacy in one go.
Can bug be big? Last step.
Overall, I have high regards for Lovevery's reading skill set program. It's definitely well designed, tackles early literacy through a multifaceted approach with storytelling, books, hands-on activities, and games. And the best part is, it nurtures that joy for literacy in children, which is priceless. I have links to the program in the description box, so please check it out there. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.